Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys are in for a treat. I am going to be sharing with you how to animate your intros without any prior knowledge whatsoever. All you need to do is keep watching. Okay guys, I've opened up canva.com and I will just dive in straight away to create our animated intro. So the first thing you need to do is to select the YouTube thumbnail option on the home page here. You might be wondering why we're selecting YouTube thumbnail. This is because this dimension is already specified for YouTube. If you're looking to design anything that goes on the screen on YouTube, this YouTube thumbnail is a good dimension to use. So click on YouTube thumbnail option and that will load up a blank page for us to start with. Just waiting for it to load. So the first step is to insert my logo into this blank screen, and this is the logo I need. I'll make 3 copies by copying it. 25% so you can see. So we have 3 copies of this logo here now. Let me just collapse it. 3 copies of the page. So the first page, I want the background to be white. Second page, I want the background to be a bit darker, so let's make it this green color but change the opacity, change the transparency. I don't think I can change the transparency of the background, but I'll just make it lighter. Let's see if I can make it lighter. Yeah. Then I will, actually, let me delete this. Let me duplicate the second one and make the color a bit darker. A bit darker. Then we'll make another duplicate. Ooh. And we'll keep making the color darker. So the color will remain darker and darker. And the final one here will be the actual color. You see what I've done just there? So from the white background, and we'll start to increase the green until everything is fully green. So if you were to watch a video of that right now, if we were to go to animation, we'll use pan. We use simple, fast. See how the background changes? So you go to downloads, but there's a small icon next to downloads, and you see animation here. And there are quite a few options of animation styles that you can choose from. There's fade, there is pan. There's block. I don't know what the block does really. There's rise, breathe, sort of zoom thing, like slowly, slide. And the simple one is basically it just flips from each page quickly. There are 3 options, so you could have a slow switch between the pages, see? Or you could have a medium or a quick one. We'll go for the fast one because see, you can see how the color builds up. Okay, so now that we've done the basics for the animation, the next thing we need to do is to add some stickers. Canva has some amazing stickers in its library that are animated that you can use to make your video more interesting. Let's search for stickers. And we are looking for, let's see, brush stickers. Okay, all right, they're looking really good. So I'll just grab a black one. It's hard to grab because they disappear. Okay, I think this one. Here we go. Nice. Okay, so I'm gonna copy that. So that's been copied to this page. So I'm gonna copy that and paste it on this. No, let me just grab the animation there and paste it. Can't seem to be able to do it. Okay, okay. I'm grabbing the wrong element, so this is the element I want to grab. Copy and paste. So I've got it there, and I'm gonna copy it on every single page. Copy on this page. And this page as well. So I just want to make this last one a white one. So I will grab this one. There we go. And I will make this one white as well. So I'm just going back. You see? So black, white, black, white. Just go and look, see how the video looks at the moment. So okay, so this is without the animation, but you can see how I don't know what to call it, the little brush thing goes around and changes color. So if we quickly go to download, go to animation, go to fast, then we'll see how it looks. Okay, maybe that's too fast. Let's go to medium. See? Okay, that might be a bit too fast for it. Let's click on slow. Okay. Let's see how breathe performs. So breathe zooms in and out, in and out. I like that. So once you're happy with your animation, then you just go to download and you see how the final product looks like. I think that has downloaded now, so let's click on it and wait for it to load. Here we go, guys. Isn't that wonderful? That's so cool. So that's it, guys. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for staying all the way to the end of this video. If this video was helpful, then please hit the like button and the subscribe button so you can be one of the first people that get notifications when I post another video. Until next time, take care.